Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're good, you're fine and healthy. And for today, we're gonna do a full makeup and Thanksgiving because it is Wednesday here and tomorrow is our Thanksgiving if you are from the USA. But if you're not, Thanksgiving is just, it's like Christmas. We celebrate what we are thankful for. And I know a lot of our friends here, we can't do Thanksgiving with our family. So I know it's like, what I'm gonna do with my makeup? You can do a Thanksgiving virtual, like, right? You can call in Facebook, FaceTime, or whatever virtual that you're gonna do. Like, you can still, presentable. So, or you can do a little gathering in your house. So, let's dive in. So for today, I am going to use the Natasha Denona and what's the name of it? Peak. The 5 eyeshadow palette. I got this in my Boxy Charm monthly subscription. So yeah. Let's go back to our first brush, but I'm not gonna dip it on the first eyeshadow. I'm just gonna blend the edges so we don't have a harsh line. If you don't have a primer, I mean a pigment primer or glitter primers, just wet your brush if you want to dip it on like a shimmer or a glitter shadow. So yeah. Okay, our eyes is done, and let me finish the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, let's proceed to our face. I'll finish my eyes later. So I will use Physicians Formula Foundation in MW2 and the Hourglass and Color Sand combination. And I already put my primer, so yeah. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way Light Nude. Cover up. I'm gonna use my Park Princess Tarte and Enhance just to put it in my under eye to set the concealer. I'm gonna use the Tarte in, what color is this? Brazilian bronze to bronze. I'm not really a fan of stix, but let's try. This is our final look for our Thanksgiving and fall look. So for my lips, I use the Colourpop lippie sticks and Lumiere matte. So it's a little bit mauve color, and I'm thinking it's like maybe I'm gonna do red, but it's like maybe not yet. Okay, we'll do a lot of red lipstick for next month for our Christmas holidays makeup. So for today, I hope you like it, and please, if you do have Facebook or Instagram, share my video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed in my channel. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and I hope you are safe. And I know Black Friday. I don't know what will happen on Black Friday if it's the mall still. I think the mall is still open, so just be safe. 6 feet away. Don't forget your mask. So that's it, and of course, always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.